Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to practicing then with your clipper. So it's just for your exercises if you wanna just, you have a free time and you wanna catch the right way. So I show you the legend system, just follow us and subscribe us on our channel and I show you what to do. So we're gonna start with number 2. Without even switch it on, I just explain to you how that works first. So never start this way, because when he has a dry scalp, you're gonna pull hair. So always go a little bit angle. So we're gonna divide this of like 3 or 4 sections. So first, you're counting inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Every time when you stop, you just use your comb. Don't do this. Just whole movement like this. So stick with it. Don't jump. Don't do this. That's just for your practicing. So practicing first, sticking with, and you counting inside your head 6 times, 7 times. Change direction. Change direction. Change direction. You see, there's no pressure here. Just relax. You can rest your hand here, or you can add the finger here, because that's holding. So add the finger, and you can do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can move on. So this is divided of 3 sections, another section, till you're gonna hear, when we switch it on and you hear it's still cutting, you're just moving. I think the very important thing is that you have to stick with it. So stick with it. So imagine you have a roller in your hand, you're just painting. If you do this with your roller, there will be touch-ups, there will be no smooth. So you have to be smooth, you have to stick with it. If I jump like this, it will be like this. It will be more difficult to blend it in to make it nice. Yeah? So if I stick with it, look, it's very easy. Enjoy!